Life in the diaspora is exciting, but it comes with its own set of challenges. You are building a career abroad, but back home, life goes on. Bills need to be paid, families need support, and the important tasks pile up. At Veewave Enterprises, we understand these struggles. We are here to bridge the gap and make life easier for Kenyans in the diaspora. Today, we will explore the top 6 errands that often cause the most headache and how we seamlessly solve them. Number 1, paying bills and setting dues. Imagine your electricity goes off, your mom calls, and you're miles away. Trying to navigate online platforms can be a nightmare. With Veewave, we handle all your utility bill payments from electricity and water to land rates and even medical covers contributions. No more missed deadlines or late fees. Number 2, shopping for loved ones. Want to surprise your niece with a new school bag or send your mom her favorite groceries? We handle personalized shopping trips, send you photos for approval, and deliver straight to your loved one's doorsteps. We ensure they get exactly what they need every time. Number 3, home repairs and maintenance. Undertaking home repairs from afar can be daunting. Will the work be done right? Will you be overcharged? With Veewave, we supervise every step of the process. Our team inspects the work, provide regular updates, and ensure the job is completed to your satisfaction. Number 4, grocery delivery and essential supplies. Ensure your loved ones eat well with our reliable grocery delivery service. We source fresh produce from trusted markets and deliver straight to their doorstep. No more worries about your parents struggling to get groceries. Number 5, school support and childcare. Feeling guilty about missing your child's school meetings? We attend on your behalf, communicate with teachers, and keep you informed. We can also assist with school drop-offs and pickups, ensuring your child feels supported and never misses out. And finally, number 6, government and official documents. Navigating government offices can be a time-consuming and frustrating experience. We handle all the paperwork, follow up on applications, and ensure you receive your documents efficiently. From ID renewals to land title deeds, we take care of it all. Why choose Veewave? At Veewave, we are more than just an errand running service. We provide peace of mind. Our team is reliable, transparent, and dedicated to exceeding your expectations. We keep you updated every step of the way so you can focus on your life abroad while knowing your loved ones are well cared for. What is the one errand that causes you the most stress? Share in the comments below. Ready to simplify your life? Contact Veewave Enterprises today. Let us handle the errands so you can focus on what truly matters. Don't let distance be a barrier. With Veewave, your life in the diaspora is easier.